So in today's test, not a brilliant day, it's raining outside. I'm in my famous abandoned house. I've got my RCN-3 today, my Mini 5 Pro. And in this test, I want to do a couple of things. The first one is to see, can I do the advanced return to home in Nifty Mode? Because remember guys, on this controller, we've got no buttons on the back. You're going to see what I mean later on about that. The other thing is, I've got on my screen at the moment, remote ID error. That's a little bit worrying, because usually I can't fly with that on. We'll see what happens to that in a minute. And the other part of this test is that when I use my iOS phone, I've got the iPhone 14 Pro, I think, or whatever, that when I do return to home, I haven't got that green line, or as they say, the AR line. I can't even pronounce that word. I'll put that word there. I haven't got it on this phone. Now, I've had some people say to me, Shaun, I've got it on mine. So I thought what I'll do, because I have actually got an Android tablet, and I'm going to show you what I mean on this, is I haven't got it for some reason. And another thing that interested me, that when I updated my Android tablet, I got the latest update, which is the 1.19.5, whereas on this one, which has still got the latest update, that's the 1.19.4. Little bit inconsistent there, DJI. I don't know what all that's about. Anyway, we'll see what's going to happen. I'm just going to see if I can start a drone. No, it's not going to do anything. So I've had this problem before. What I tend to do is shut it down. So I'm just going to shut down my app a minute. Come out of that, and if I go back into it, hopefully I'll get rid of that remote ID. Okay, so we've gone back in. I've still got it. I'm not supposed to have that. They haven't started the remote. No, I've had this before. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to shut everything down, and I'll come back to you in a mo, because this has annoys me when this does this. Right, so we're back to normal now. I've got, okay, I'm just waiting for the satellites to kick in. It does take a while sometimes. Okay, I've got 15 now. Take off with caution. I've got 17 now. 18. 21, 20. 22. 23. Okay, so I've got 23 satellites. I'm permitted to take off. I'll do the takeoff.
Take off.
Okay, home point's been done. Oh no, it's home point. Oh, it's been done again. Right, I'm just going to check my settings, Mo. Put it on bypass. Right, I'm just going to put it onto Nifty. Okay. I'm just going to check down on the advanced. I've got it on optional. So that's all ready to go. Let's just fly it out the doorway into the rain. Okay, off we go. Just going to send it out. I've got it in normal mode. Now I did a test the other day. Somebody was saying to me, what about if you put it into SIN mode on the return, will it come back slower? And it won't. When you put in return to home, guys, it reverts to let's get the drone back as soon as possible. So don't worry about putting it into SIN mode if you're trying to do something. Okay, I'm going to do return to home. Now obviously, using the RCN-3, you haven't got the buttons on the back, because when it comes back, it's going to hesitate before the doorway. I just want to, let's get here. I don't want to get in the way. Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, so I can see it coming in. Now I haven't got no AR line at all. And people were telling me that they've got theirs. Well, I can only presume it's on the Android maybe. So now it's coming in now. Right.
Complex environment
because
ahead.
it's a complex
Continuously monitor
environment
during RT.
you have to return to home. What you have to do, guys, you have to press the screen. And then the drone will take over. So you haven't got the control like you have on the RC2 controller. You see what I'm on about? The drone's coming in now. I'll just step back a little bit. I don't want to put it off. Right. It's a little bit windy. It's not the best conditions, I must agree. But, hey, it's landed on the landing pad. Not perfectly, but it's landed on the landing pad. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to shut everything down. I'm going to change over my phone to my tablet and use the Android and just see if we can get this AR line that some people are saying they're getting on their RCN-3 controller. Right, so what I'm doing now, I've got my tablet. I get a lot of people asking me about the extension holder. Guys, you can get it on Amazon. It don't cost a lot. I think it costs about, I don't know, €6 if that. I ain't got a link for it, just in case you're asking. But yeah, you can get. I've had these for a couple of years now. I expect if somebody's got a 3D printer, they can probably whack one of these out for a couple of euros. So I've got my tablet on. I've got my RCN-3 on. Okay, so what I'm going to do, turn on the controller first. To be honest, guys, I don't like using Android. God, it's such antiquated to me. I've got to put on go Fly App just to once. With my phone, it just goes straight in. But this, it just takes ages to me. It just seems wasted time. But anyway, everybody's got their own preference. Some people love Android, but I don't. Okay, looking, I haven't got that stupid remote ID thing on here. So that's all on. I'm just going to check the settings a mo. Got it on bypass. Got it on Nifty because I did all this last night when I did the update. As I mentioned, I got the 1.19.5, whereas the other one was the 1.19.4. That's the DJI Fly App, which is interesting. They're all up to date apparently. So anyway, we'll do auto takeoff. So the whole point of this is to see if I've got that AR line. But I'm going to do the same procedure anyway. To send a drone out through the entrance. Well, off you go. Get out in the rain. Go on. Off you go. God, did that bad, didn't I? becoming a bit of a professional. Okay, we'll just send it out a bit. All got, everything's looking good on the old scoreboard. We've got full signals. Just send out a little bit more. Got, if you notice on there, I haven't got it in feet and inches. I've got it on metric. Okay, so return to home, and we'll see what happens. And I've got a green flow. So that's interesting. So that means on the iPhone, we don't get that. And there's me just saying, I don't like Android. Now that's interesting. Why does it do it on the Android and not the not on the iOS? Didn't know that. Did you know that? Right, it's just coming in. So now I can see it. So that's another thing, I suppose. You know, have an Android tablet and you get all the stuff that you would get on your normal RC2 controller. Okay, so this is a bit more better. It's a bit better up. I'll just press return to home on this screen. I'm just going to get in the way of the drone. Here he comes, coming in. I can see him. Okay. So I'm in Nifty Mode. That's another thing. It's turning itself around. And, nearly landed right on the exact spot. Now that's interesting. Right, so what I'm going to do, because I've done all my tests that I wanted to do, and we'll have a quick summary in a mo. It looks like I've just finished just in time, because I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pouring down now. And thankfully I'm not standing there, because the rain's coming right through the roof. And now it's pouring down. Anyway, I'll make this quick. I was really surprised. So using the Android tablet, or your phone maybe, you're going to get that AR line. Whereas if you use my iOS phone, unless I'm wrong, but I can't get it on my phone, which is interesting. And it's quite a new phone, it's a 14. Yeah, that was interesting why it can't go on there. And as I mentioned before, the Fly apps on my phone, it's the 14. It's the 1.19.4, and on the Android, it's 1.19.5, which will make no difference to do with that AR line, because I've had this for quite a few years, but I didn't notice it. I just presumed that if you got the RCN-3 controller, you're not going to get that green line. But I was wrong. And I've got to say sorry for all those other people that said, Shaun, I got it on mine. Well, obviously you did. Anyway, interesting fact, isn't it, eh? I didn't know that. But I can safely say that the advanced return to home in Nifty Mode, even if it wasn't in Nifty Mode, you can still do it with the RCN-3. So for those people that don't want to spend out a huge amount of money, it's a good controller. So, hope you learned something there. I certainly did. There's me slagging off the Android. And to be honest, it seems to be better than the phone. But as always, there's going to be another video, but hopefully not in the wet stuff, very soon. God, that was bad, wasn't it, eh? But anyway, it's raining.